Now that I've got all my ingredients on my Blackstone, I'm just coming in with a little bit of salt. I'm gonna use some garlic powder. So we've got our cheese balls. We use 2 containers of those. We have 2 blocks of Velveeta, 4 sticks of butter, 1 block of sharp cheddar, some crushed red pepper, and we use a Colby Jack cheese. We're just gonna make this, oh, also heavy cream. We're gonna make this very luxurious, delicious, decadent dinner today. I'm gonna put just the tiniest bit of black pepper. We're just adding some extra flavor to this, but this is gonna be so creamy, so delicious and thick, so cheesy. Y'all are going to love it. I'm just gonna close the lid on my Blackstone and let that all get melted. Alrighty, we've been letting this all get melted down. I'm just gonna kind of break up our Velveeta a little bit, but you can see how nice and melted it is. I'm gonna start smashing up our balls. You just wanna break up those balls, but you can see they're kind of, with that butter and everything, they've really softened. Our cheddar in the middle here has melted. And we are just gonna crush, oh, that red pepper with this melty, delicious cheese. Gosh, it smells so incredible. And I'm just gonna come in here, break my balls. Break, 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 break. Y'all, this is this is such a good meal for New Year's or whenever you're having people over and you just wanna have a big celebration with some delicious home-style comfort food. This is the thing to make. My husband absolutely loves this. I like to do it for his family when they come and visit. They live in the South, so they can appreciate a butter-filled, cheese-filled, delightful food. Alrighty. Perfect. Grabbing my hibachi flippers here, and we're just gonna start tossing all of our cheese ball, buttery goodness in here with our pasta, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely time. This came together so quickly, and we're just adding it all together for the finishing touches. Wow. And you can spread as you go so everything has room to mix. Ooh, we're just gonna get this all smoothed out. Oh, it's looking amazing. I'm just gonna put some more sharp cheddar on as a cheese crust on top. And I love those little burnt sections of cheese. Those are like my favorite, you guys. Just a nice crispy cheese, like a grilled cheese, mac and cheese. Oh, the best. And for a little bit of greenery, we're just gonna put some chopped parsley on top. So now it is a salad. The moment of truth, everyone. Let me grab myself a giant scoop. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Wow, that looks incredible. Oh my God, I can't wait to grab a big old tasty bite of this. Look at that cheese. Oh, Y'all, this is so good. You've gotta try it.